In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make OneDrive files available offline or online only. This can be particularly useful when you want to access files without an internet connection or save space on your device. Let me guide you through these simple steps, ensuring you make the best use of your OneDrive storage options. Let's begin by focusing on making files available offline. When you store files offline, they are placed directly on your device, allowing you to access and edit them at any time, regardless of your internet connection. To get started with enabling offline access, you'll want to open File Explorer on your computer. Once you're there, navigate to the OneDrive folder where all your files are stored. Take your time to browse through the files and locate the one you wish to make available offline. After you find the file, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. In this menu, you will see an option labeled Always Keep on this device. Click on that, and your file will be downloaded and stored locally. This means you can enjoy offline modifications, and what's great is that any changes you make will automatically sync back with OneDrive once you're online again, ensuring everything stays updated across all your devices. Now, let's shift to making files available online only, which is a handy way to save precious space on your device. By storing files exclusively in the cloud, you free up your local storage, creating more room for other important data. To begin, head back to your File Explorer and revisit your OneDrive folder. This time, find the file you would like to set to online-only status. Similar to before, right-click on the file to bring up the Options menu. Now, look for the option labeled Free Up Space and select it. What happens here is the file will remain stored in the cloud and won't take up any space on your device, although you'll still be able to access it via OneDrive. It's crucial to remember that online-only files require an internet connection for access. So, if you're traveling or find yourself without a connection, these files won't be readily available to you. On the upside, because these files don't consume local storage, you can manage a larger volume of files without worrying about running out of disk space. By understanding how to toggle between these two settings, you gain greater control over how you store and access your data. Whether you need constant access to your work or want to optimize storage space, these tools offer the flexibility to meet your needs. So, give it a try and see how it can streamline your file management process. That's all for today's guide on OneDrive file accessibility. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.